2500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Pandas. TGIM, pandas. Thank God it's Monday. We're back live at it again. Sorry for the late start. Pandas, good morning. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Let's get ready to make that bamboo today. Pandas! Oh, hesitant. When I got stopped out, what are we doing here? Something like this.
$2,500 tick trap.
Market's moving though, pandas. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Bob Stocks, good morning. Boost Deal, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Sorry for the late start. It's a Monday, y'all know. It's one of those days, y'all know. All right. We're just like going back and forth. Do we have news today? Let's check out this week's news. No news today. But this week we have CPI tomorrow. Big news, actually. CPI tomorrow, Wednesday, also core PPI. Big news coming up next couple days, which usually means that the day before the news is pretty choppy, but we'll see. We shall see. All right. In a channel overshoot, maybe leading to an undershoot, not sure. It's getting confusing. This trap fails, goes the other way. Because the second just short above the 20 MA. It's all over the place right now. Very confusing. I'll say the 5-minute looks bearish. The 5-minute looks bearish. Looks like it wants to break these lows here. It looks like it wants to come down. Maybe previous day's low. We'll see. It looks kind of bearish on the 5-minute chart. The 2500 tick chart could just be second entry long off the 20 MA. We shall see though. Okay, fair enough. Overshoot to undershoot. Let's see. Strong bear bar maybe ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Maybe near its low.
$2,500 tick trap.
Second entry long, 2500 tick. Do I like it? No. Just gonna let it go. Just gonna let it go. Second entry long, 2500 tick. Good morning, pandas. 2500 tick chart, second entry long. The main reason why I'm skipping is because it's just coming off the 20 MA. We got nothing else going for it. Strong, but we're ending on its high. Could be a good entry here, actually, to go long right here. Also, 5 minute felt slightly bearish to me with this bear bar, and then we kind of look like we are pushing off the 20 MA here. Sitting on my pause for a little bit. Confusion. Just going back and forth. Loving the previous week's close. We actually didn't close too far off the previous week's close right here, which makes sense because the weekly was a big doji bar. Alright, pandas, going back and forth here. Still a little sus on the 5 minute chart on what's happening here. Strong bear bar could be followed through to push down hard. 2500 tick chart really, the second entry long didn't go anywhere. Technically fails here. I believe. Unless it made a 1-to-1. Yeah, fails here. Gets stopped out. Alright, we'll try here. By the way, pandas, we are 20 accounts deep now, and we are ready to rock and roll. I hate this. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see what we get here. Lower highs, lower lows. 2500 tick chart could be a strong bull move here. It's another third entry long, all above the 20 MA. We'll try. I don't like it. The 2500 tick chart could be bullish, right? We're clearly above the 20 MA here. 2500 tick. The 5 minute chart, it just looks a little ambiguous. Big doji bars on 2 bars in a row. We never triggered it. Micro double top. Micro double top. Insane. Very confusing. Could be just big trading range now. Just too much confusion. 2500 tick chart above the 20 MA. 500 tick chart underneath the 20 MA. 5 minute underneath the 20 MA. Showing 2 bear bars in a row. Goodness. Yeah, so today, what I did, like, I'm gonna do what I did like last time. The top half of my accounts, once I get a positive trade of over $50 in, I'm just going to stop trading the top accounts, because all I need are 55 days of $50 or more, and then I'm able to do a payout. So, by Friday, it will be 8 trading days on the top accounts. But the bottom accounts will continue to trade until we hit max or until I feel the price action is just terrible. But the top accounts, like, they're so healthy. Like, we want to keep them in a place where we can continue to get payouts. And that's about 30K per payout, which is plenty of bamboo. And we're continuing our challenge, right? We want 6 payouts across our accounts if we can get them. Any amount of accounts. If I even have one account at the end of this payout or challenge, and I get 6 payouts on them, I'll consider it completed. Jeez. Six payouts is a lot. 6 times 30K, 180K just on our accounts if we can get on half of them. Okay, keeps pushing down. Like I said, 2500 tick chart. I was afraid it was gonna trigger above real quick and then reverse down. It gave me a micro double top on the 2500 tick, which is unfortunate because I was ready to go short. I wanted that to trigger first before going short, but it didn't. Let me create a micro double top, which I think causes confusion. Multiple bear bars in a row now. I think it's time to go short soon. What say you, pandas? What say you? This is tumbling. I feel like I gotta just go short somewhere. Another bear bar. Multiple bear bars in a row. 5 minute about to trigger Big Mama in one go. It's melting. It's certainly melting here. Jeez. Trigger Big Mama. I missed the hold down move. It's a micro double top on the 2500 tick. All good. Oh, fracking good. So fracking delicious. At least it's moving. At least our graph is moving here. Our chart is moving. You know, unlike the last couple days, it's just been pretty terrible. Okay. It touched Big Mom on the 5 minute chart. Is finding some resistance here or some support. 5 minute Big Mama finding some sort of huge bear bar, like just huge. Like it just needed 2 bear bars here, and then that's why I said in the 5 minute it looked bearish to me. 2500 tick chart actually looked a little bullish. 500 tick chart looked bearish as well. So I was a little bit confused, and I couldn't time this move down. So it is what it is. The 2500 tick chart really confused me. Like I thought it was going to trigger one more time up, or close clearly above the 20. I thought it was going to at least break the previous candle's high. It did a micro double top, and then just boom, wham, got crushed here. I got a first entry here. I'll take a second entry short. Let's try. If the market even gives it to us. The market was not going to give it to us. I'm pretty certain about that now. Pretty certain about that. Not going to give us anything here. It's all good. Beeline to the Globex low probably. Oh, super strong bear bar 5 minute chart.
2500 tick trap.
Incredibly strong bear bar on the 5 minute chart. I should have just gone short. But I missed it. Multiple bear bars in a row. I missed it. I just missed the whole move down. The most obvious move in all of history. I missed it because of the 2500. The dang 2500 tick chart. Huge bear bar. I don't get any follow through here on this. It just rips right through my order. Can't even get filled. Might as well wait for a second to short. At this point, it ripped right through my order. I'll wait for a second to short. I don't like it when it comes back and fills me. After it pushes down, comes back up. I do not like entering that way. I feel pretty confident about this trade, pandas. You know what I mean? It's like such a strong push down. I feel very confident about this trade. I think we get a little bit of follow through on the 5-minute chart here. The question is, can I get in here? We're in. I feel very confident about this trade here to go short. One more time. Break the lows here, hopefully. If not, it is what it is, but I just feel like it wants to at least break this lows here. And if it doesn't, it is what it is. I mean, the bear bar on the 5-minute chart, I got to try. The bear bar on the 5-minute chart is just so disgusting. I got to try to go short here, in my opinion. And if it doesn't really push down, it is what it is. And I'll just take the hit. I think it's worth it here. It's such like a crazy trade, in my opinion. Like, got to try. It's reversing back up, unfortunately. But I feel like you still got to try a little bit here. Let it cook. Let's let it cook. Pushing down again. Let's let it cook. Lower high here.
2,500 tick
Let
trap.
it cook. Big push down now. Big push down now. Whoa. Big push down now. Where's my big push? One more push down. And it's not giving it to me, pandas. I'm going to get burned here. Eaten alive, unfortunately. Oh, man. That just seemed like such a good trade I had to try. It seemed like such a good trade I had to try, pandas. Like, second entry short, beautiful signal bar. Huge bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Like, disgustingly huge. You would expect a little bit of follow through on that strong bear bar. But with the price action these days, I'm not surprised it's, reversing on a dime. But I had to try there. This is such a beautiful setup. Second entry short. Beautiful signal bar coming right after 20 MA. After a huge push down. Got clear target beneath. I had to try, and I think I had to try heavy. And I don't mind. I don't mind. Yeah, it's 12.5 point. Okay. So fortunately, I mean, you just take the stop loss, and it is what it is. It is what it is, pandas. Like, though that was painful and a kind of big hit, I think it was worth it. I think it was well worth it, pandas. I think if I was to take any trade like that, that would be the one. And we tried. Now it's like bouncing off like a maniac. So it kind of shows, the area where it, maybe it should have pushed down. And the fact that it didn't, it just like everyone got out. Everyone got out. Everyone was quick enough to reverse the trade. I wasn't. I really felt strongly convicted that it was going to push down one more time after a strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Like, look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. Look at that bear bar. Look at the bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Like, you think a little bit of follow through on that could be the easiest trade in the world. But instead, we get another bear bar, or another bar, 5-minute bar, just as strong as the big bear bar here. This could be a huge reversal here. Right, the fact that we could not push down there, huge reversal. Pretty like calculative push down here as well. Just we're in a big channel. We've been in a channel for a while now on the 5-minute chart. Huge bull bar here, so now it's massive confusion. Darn. I mean, I put 4 contracts because I thought it was well worth the trade. The risk was not terrible. I risked $1,000 for a potential huge move down. Like, the risk reward here was great. I was looking for 20. It was a 1-to-2 risk reward here. And I thought it was well worth, like, and a clear target beneath, right, pandas? That's another reason why I went heavy on that trade. So, huge bear bar 5-minute chart. Like, it's just unfortunate that huge bear bars like this are matched with a huge bull bar like this. It's just a morning reversal, and I think this big bear bar and big bull bar is going to be the reversal of the day. It could be a bull trend day for the rest of the day today. I wouldn't be surprised at this point because of how disappointing of a move this was to the downside. I feel like it could just be a huge bull trend today now. That is just like it's just big bear bar and big bull bar like this, especially how big it is. Pandas, man. Now that we have that, I mean, my risk was decently. It was pretty normal, 12.5 points. Everything about it seems so good in terms of price action. I had to try, and just had to try. Just clear target beneath, huge push down, really good looking second entry short here, and it doesn't go very far. In fact, it just goes sideways for a little bit, and it just ripped my face off. So all good, pandas, all good. That's part of trading. That's part of trading. I'll probably take two more trades. If I get two more losers in a row, I'm done. But I'm like strong bull bias now, like very strong bull bias. Let's just get a single trade here. Single contract. I'm not trying to go crazy. Let's see if we can get back to the previous day's close, previous week's close. Just think it's the obvious target here. Now I think like I said, I have a strong bull bias now. Like that huge reversal on the 5-minute chart. This could be the beginnings of a really strong reversal. It is what it is. Again, clear target above, cannot reach it. So now it's just massive. Clear target above. I think it has to hit it. Not has to, but it's such a high probability to hit it. Such a strong bounce up. Right, again, on the 5-minute chart, strong bull bar. You're thinking a little bit of fall through on this bar. And now we're just getting a big down, big up trading range type situation. How much am I willing to risk here? How much am I willing to risk? I'll risk this much. For the probability, I think it's high, and I'll scale in. Like coming off the 20 MA, got pivot high here. I'm gonna have a big stop loss. I'm not willing to take this big stop loss, but let's just say like we have a strong close beneath the 20 MA, then I'm done. This is one contract, allows me to scale in here once or twice. Big bull, big bear bar, big bull bar. It's more like a BS bar now. Instead of a bull bar, it's a BS bar. It's giving me some room to breathe here. This might be it. Fortunate, right? Big bull, big bear bar, big bull bar, and maybe another big bear bar. Could be massive confusion. I think we're in a strong bull trend now because, well, we're above the 20 MA. As long as we're above the 20 MA, we're going to attempt this move. I still think my target is the same here. Just letting it cook now. Let it cook a little bit. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Great. Just great sign to let it cook. With strong bull bar ending on its high. Let's let it cook a little bit here. Let it cook. Let it cook. Could be trying to create a second entry long, which is like the one time I don't want to create it. I just wanted to hit my target now. I don't want it to create a second entry long because then this is the risk of me getting stopped out. Just make this, just push up, please, and hit the obvious target. That's all I want. If not, then I'll just take the hit again. It is what it is. It's just one of those days. The struggle is real just to push up here. It's having a hard time, actually. It makes an inside bar. Not surprised at all that it's shenanigans today. We have big news tomorrow and Wednesday, so shenanigans can be today and because we have big news tomorrow, so we could just be doing some wacky price action today until the news tomorrow. Enter again one more time just for free bamboo here if we can get it. Failing to hit our target by like a couple ticks, which is like very marquee of a choppy trading range day. I thought free bamboo, so I tried. And what can you do about it if we don't hit it? Like free bamboo trying to hit the previous week's close, such an obvious target, and now it's pushing down very strongly, making a double top here.
5-minute trap.
This is bad news. It's gonna kill me here. It's absolutely gonna kill me. It is what it is, though. I knew the risk of taking this trade, and I fully was willing to take it. It might be another $1,000 loss. It is what it is, though. I'll take the loss. I don't mind. Let me try one more time here. Let it cook. Clearly above the 20 MA still. Doji bar making this more sus. I don't mind taking the hit here. It's all good. Let's see. I'd rather take the hit than enter this trade than take the hit. You know what I mean? I'd rather just take the hit now if we can. The market can just give me a mercy kill here. Mercy kill, please. I just thought full blown reversal. I don't really want to I don't want to F around, find out. I don't want to FAFO here. This could be a full blown reversal again because we got a strong bear bar, strong bull bar. No follow through on both of these. So big trading range can come all the way back down to the bottom here, and I just wouldn't be surprised on a day like today. I didn't want to FAFO here. Though this could just launch up. Big loss today already. 2K loss. Unfortunate. I hate it. I hate just starting the Monday with 2K loss when we're missing clear targets beneath, clear targets above by a couple ticks here. Like we missed this target by, less than 2 points, 1.5 points. It's just not hitting these targets, which is super frustrating. Like it's the most clear targets for me. I don't know. Do I still think it's bull trend? Hard to tell now because we missed this. Now it's like confusion here. Could be just a big trading range, big down, big up. Could come back to the bottom trading range. At the end, I'm just happy I'm out here and I just let this deal with itself. Like I'm just unsure what's gonna happen here. That trap trade could be a decent trade to the downside here. I don't know. I'm not willing to take anything. I'm just a little hesitant. I just got 2 big losses in a row. I would like to prevent another big loss. Ends up being a decent push down here. Could be a big reversal, big time reversal. And it makes sense on the 5-minute now. Right, big bear bar, big bull bar. No follow through on both. So it just feels pure trading range. Also, tomorrow's news. Pandas, down 2K. It hurts. And I had healthy. My accounts are healthy still, but I'll take one more trade here. Like I said, if I have 2 more losses, like 2 losses in a row, then I'm done. But let me just one more try here, Pandas. One more try. I just take one more trade. Just super diabolical missing these targets, clear targets. And when the market does that, like I should be going short here, to be honest. It's like clear sign the market's trying to do something confusing here. I had a strong bull bias because I just thought strong bear bar, strong bull bar. Like this just trapped all the bulls here. And this was going to start launching upwards, but it is what it is. It didn't work that way. So here we are.
2,500 tick trap.
One of those days where just missing your targets by like ticks. Ticks. Down 2K. Unfortunate, but it's okay. We will take one more trade here regardless. See what happens. $2,500 tick chart confusion, right? Is it bullish now? Are we like staying above the 20 MA here? Who knows? Right, if I even took this short, I'll be disappointed right now. Right, just this reversal back up is very disappointing. Right, if you took this short, you also lose. It's just very confusing. A very diabolical price action, in my opinion here. Very diabolical. High or low, maybe interested for this trading range being created here. Maybe. Choppy all around. Very confusing. Higher low, no good because back signal bar plus you're in the middle of the range by the time it triggers. I'm taking one more trade here, Pandas, and we'll call it a day. I mean, one more trade, one more loss here, and I'm done. I could maybe jump to TPT accounts, but if I win here, then we're still going. Diabolical price action, I'll tell you that much. Just missing this super huge push up. Again, you're looking for follow through. No follow through whatsoever on these super strong pushes. Just marquee for trading range. Higher low does trigger. I was kind of interested in the higher low, but bad signal bar. It is bouncing off the bottom again here, so could be more reason to go long. I don't know. I'm sitting on my pause here. Lots of overlapping bars, lots of in and out of the 20 MA. 2500 tick chart is above the 20 MA, which could still be bullish. 5-minute chart, maybe looking to trigger the second pullback to get to the 20 MA. Confusing. It's very confusing here. Right. It's most confusing because of the 5-minute super strong bear bar, no follow through, super strong bull bar, no follow through. Right, you even get 2 bull bars in a row and no follow through. Is sick, so sick. But it's all good, Pandas. It's all good. It's Monday, Pandas. Let's get it. Let's absolutely get it here. Comes back up. Might come to my target now, which was the previous week's close. It just needed some time to cook and do nothing and just be diabolical. Absolute shenanigans here. Right now, tons of dojis, tons of wicks here. It's hard to jump in anywhere. Right, too confusing. So I'm sitting on my pause, and if it even hits my target, there's not much I can do about it. Didn't give me any opportunity here. Just really bad price action. Okay, it looks like it's going to hit my target without me, right? Wanted to stop me out here. Another push down. So I'm like, that would be very scary to hold this after this trap, to be honest, with a strong bear bar like this. But look at this strong bear bar, no follow through, just gets folded. So it is what it is. Okay, being diabolical, not giving me any pullbacks here, but tons of wicks and lots of doji bars. Not much I can do here. Just watch this just grind itself out, and not much I can do. Just gonna watch it just be absolutely ridiculous. It can hit my clear target, but as I tried before, clear target, not so clear, Pandas. So what can I do? A little bit traumatized here. Let's just let this play out. I have no FOMO here. I'm just no FOMO here. I'd rather just end the day right now. Jeez. 2 times missing clear targets. It's all good. Right? Super strong bear bar. Super strong bull bar. Super strong bear bar or bear move. Super bull move. No follow through on both. We might get the follow through here now. Finally, only after a deep pullback taking me out. So I didn't want to FAFO here. I mean that's pretty brutal if it did come all the way back down to the bottom here, especially with this fail second entry long. It's very brutal, big loss, right? That's like, account busting stuff. I don't mind, like, just waiting. Again, looking for my target here, but 5-minute just being diabolical, super strong bull bar, no follow through. It's just, completely sideways, limit order trading. Very difficult to trade this, in my opinion. I will try here. If it does, try one more time to go back up. Fails, I got you short. I'll try. Even with the smallest reward here, I'll just try it. Because the probability just seems so high, I gotta try. super diabolical price action, I'll tell you that much. Comes back to the bottom trading range, maybe. Halfway, maybe. Who knows? Hit the top, maybe come back to the bottom. That makes the most sense. But we're so close to this target, I'm going to just try to attempt it. 2 contracts. Just want a little bit of bamboo. Just be on the green for a little bit. At least in one trade. Like, I want to be green in at least one trade here. Even if it's very small. I'll try. And I'm even being hesitant here because this can just come back down to the bottom trading range. It has the makings of it, right? Lots of overlapping bars, lots of dojis, lots of chop, and pandas look. I entered this trade. I had my thing here thinking it would break the previous candle's high. It doesn't actually break it. It makes a micro double top and reverses on a dime with pure limit orders. There we go. We finally get the break above. Can we hit the clear target here for once in our lives? Hopefully.
Target filled.
I made a little bit of bamboo today, pandas. It's actually possible. It's a miracle. I made 6.75 points. It's a miracle. It's amazing. Absolute diabolical still. Sitting on my pause here. I'm not sure what's going to happen. All right, we're just on a second pullback on the 5-minute chart. This could have another push down here. We'll see. If this like channel is still going, then maybe something wacky like this. Like, I don't know how you could even draw this channel to justify buying down here, but something about this channel seemed to have triggered that trade. I could maybe use only the bodies here. Like, I really gotta cheese it to make it work. But it could just be in this channel, and who knows. But like I said, like, the price action is proven to be diabolical, and just not much I can do. Even if I had a runner here hitting this target, it's like it would have stopped that right there. So it's not a day for runners, I'll tell you that much. I don't think it is, at least. Too much back and forth. Quick scalps here, 1-to-1s. That's what we're looking for now. Come back to the bottom trading range. I wouldn't be surprised. Could trigger the second just short on the 5-minute chart on this move down. Maybe I'll try that. Five-minute second just short. The reason why I consider it is because it will be going towards the direction of the trading range that I believe we're creating now. Right, big down, big up, coming back into this area where we saw huge price movements, and now we're getting stuck here. Be careful today. We're down 1,800, but it's all good, pandas. We can make it back. We just need one good day to make it back. And for me, I feel like one more loss for me, I'm done. Like, we're just, even if I win the next trade, even though my record is 1-2, but the amount of contracts I trade is just too much, and my win was a very small scalp. So I just feel like I'm still on 2-loss losing streak, but it's just good to know that we made a little bamboo. It's just good to know we made a little bamboo on that trade. Change the momentum, hopefully. Momentum shift right here. Let's get it. Absolutely. All right. The signal bar had a huge wake bar. Let me reload. Is my reloading wrong? I'm not sure. Are my charts wrong?
5-minute trap.
Reloading here. Are my candles all jacked up? My candles were not right here, actually. Whoa, okay. This is why when I took the trade, it was still second entry short. I probably would have still tried. I probably would have still tried and entered again down here. I probably would have still tried. My candles were not correct. I just reloaded and it looks like completely different. Even here on this move, I thought it was a second entry long. It was not. It wasn't even a second entry long here. I see. I probably got short here though, and kind of probably got hurt. So I think regardless, I would have still lost all those trades in one way or another, but it's all good. Austin Harris says we dropped to grab some liquidity. Seems like so, but if that's the case, shouldn't we be like rocketing upwards? We're just small trickle up. Now it's completely choppy and sideways. It's, in my opinion, one of those days you just stop trading and just enjoy the rest of your day. Don't even torture yourself with this nonsense. Oh, jeez. Sorry. We're going to try to go short here. One contract. And if I lose this trade, I'll probably stop trading these accounts just because I want to salvage them a little bit. You know what I mean, Bandas? I want to salvage them a little bit. You know what I mean? Just a little teeny bit. One contract because the risk is huge. Right, having a hard time with that second entry short, not doing much. Does come back to the bottom of the small trading range here. Pops right back up. If it breaks itself, should I consider it? Yeah, most likely it will come to fill the gap here. This is a bona fide trap here. It is what it is. I think I took the appropriate risk. The risk is itself. Took the second to short, made an outside bar. I could wait for the candle to finish, but it could be like unnecessary risk here, like taking a lot more unnecessary risk than I need to. Yeah, I mean the fact that it's reversing anyways, we're done. All right, second to short fails, comes right back up, takes me out. I just use its own candle, its own high, and it takes me out. And it might like diddle around here for a while, but the market's being absolutely diabolical. Can't get back to the bottom of this. I think we're done with these accounts. Like it's a big loss on these accounts already, and I don't think, not that like I can't make a comeback, but it just also depends on the day. Like I don't think today's a day to try. I could tell it's already very confusing, and it's just not gonna behave. This market's like absolutely wild right now, and I know it doesn't seem like it, but it is. It's very confusing, very diabolical, very choppy. I mean everything. You basically get the whole story with the first two bars, or it's not the first two bars, but after these, you know, third and fourth bar here, third and fourth, bar 3 and 4 here, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4 here, diabolical, big bear bar, no follow through. Big bull bar just chops up.
5-minute
It's
trap.
confusing. So, like I said, I just get out here and no reason to have extended risk. Extend your risk here. It's just, it is what it is. Just let it play out. It's too choppy, too confusing. I may just, YL finally won a trade. Did he fade me? Did he fade my trade? Hopefully he did. But, I'm not trading these accounts anymore. It's just too much pain. We're going to jump to the TPT accounts. We're jumping to TPT accounts. Let's see. Jumping to TPT accounts right now. I'm gonna take the big loss, $2,300 loss, Panis, and I think it's a good place to stop. Not because of like even I don't even care about the P&L right now. I just care about the current price action is just untradeable for me. Do I even want to trade TPT? Like, is today a good day to trade at all? Like, with TPT accounts, I might as well just trade Sim at this point. I'd rather preserve my TPT accounts. Ah, by the way, TPT is 40% off still. Big pain today, and you know, if I see a good setup, I guess. But I'm just telling you right now, this price action is just diabolical, and I don't have fun trading these type of days. Um, it's grinding up now, but even on a grind up, it's scary to jump in anywhere, just because it's not a strong. It's not a strong move. It's very grindy, very slow. The 5 minute chart. You know, the reason why I got out of that trade is because this potential reversal right here, big reversal back up, could hit the previous day's high. Why not? Why not? We could just be in this channel as well. We can bounce up top here and come back down, all the way back down. Who knows on a day like today? Completely sideways on the daily chart for a while. The weekly chart complete doji. I don't know. Tough. It's floating up now. All good. It is what it is. So now we do get follow through. Right, this bear bar got no follow through. This bull bar is getting some follow through after some consolidation. Big bull bar. Feels like I just short with some. Now this is the follow through. It feels like a short. It could be a measure move. That's what I would say. Get a measure move here. This whole bar, people just bought it, and they're looking to get to the previous week's high. It's a decent target, I think. Basically getting to the top of this channel as well. I mean, this channel can be strong resistance. It's been here for a while, and it's proving to be very strong. Like even if we're going up, like I don't know if I can even find a setup to go long at this point. It just seems so choppy, so grindy. Bars are shrinking now. Don't know what to do here. Looking for a bounce. Tough. I don't know. Basically got 3 hits in a row on my Apex accounts. It's brutal. Brutal. We still got plenty of drawdown to work with, but man, that's brutal though today. Like very good setups too, I think. But now that I reloaded my historical, not as good as I thought. Regardless, I probably would still have tried at least here, in my opinion, on this lower high. I would probably attempted the second just short here, anyways, and probably get stopped out regardless. So the reloading is like it helps me realize like my chart wasn't very accurate to really what it was. But regardless, seeing the setup, I probably would have felt very confident to go short here to hit the previous week's low, especially as a huge move down, looking for some follow through. And what can you do about it, Panis? Second entry long floating in midair. This could fly. Who knows? This could fly. Again, here went long, trying to hit the most obvious target. We eventually hit it after a bunch of pullbacks, but and now we're breaking through it. So the bunch of pullbacks absolutely killed me. Tough day, and even this is not pleasant. Strong bull bar ending on its high, 5 minute, maybe finally deciding it's gonna go up here with these two strong bull bars here. This is the follow through. Maybe a lot of traders were looking for. They may just go long here and wait to see what happens. Could be always long on the 5 minute chart. At this point, anything is possible. The big down, big up. Jeez. Could be a big push up here, high or low. I would have liked it if actually, there it is. Right, the always and long traders are jumping in now. Big push up. That higher low I thought would have caused a huge move up, and it did. I just wish it actually touched a key area. I would have considered going long here, but we would need a key area to be like tested. But nothing was tested. It's just floating and grinding up. And the 5 minute, right, strong bull bar, this is what the bulls needed to feel confident to enter. And they felt very confident, and they jumped in. With a small pullback, they kept buying and just popped upwards. So making a beeline to the top of the channel now. I'm just commentating at this point because we're dead. Like, not dead, but our accounts just took too big of a hit. And it is what it is. Again, like, it's not about the P&L even. It's about the fact I lost 3 in a row and the market's confusing. If the market still look good, I think I'll still trade and just try to kind of climb my way back up. But the market does not look good right now. Well, right now it looks okay. It looks like there's almost a clear direction now we want to go. We want to go up, and we're doing it in a very grindy and precarious way. 23-point push up here. The second entry long, I could consider this. If we even get it. I was considering going along here, but could not do it because we didn't test any supports. I wanted a support, test of a support here. Inside bar, OI pattern, just more shenanigans. Super small bars now. Want that second pullback, can't get it for two leggy. Can't get it, micro double bottom instead. More shenanigans, just absolutely confusing. I'm just saying my pause. I mean, again, could keep working its way up. I just don't want any part of this nonsense. Very confusing, very suspicious. Big push up. I guess a failed second entry short was the trade of the day on the 5-minute chart. That was a trade of the day, the failed second entry short. it triggered in the most funkiest way, but it did technically do it, so all good. Get more shenanigans, right? Just waiting for this shenanigans to end. So many overlapping bars in a row. Big bull move. Could be trading range, so we could look for a failed breakdown here. I could try. It's a failed breakdown of a channel that I think is being created. Sorry, of a trading range I think is being created here. Doji bar, maybe not the best signal bar, but definitely a second entry long here. I'm just wrong about everything today. Let's go. Let's go, Pan. That's wrong about everything today. Super small risk. 7-point risk. No, we're 20 EMA here. I will try again. Whoop, bad signal bar. Don't know if I should try again. Very confusing. Clearly breaking beneath the 20 EMA here. Clearly terrible signal bar. Clearly terrible trade. Just let it do its thing. We're on TPT accounts, so let's see here. Let's see if we can make anything of this. 40% off TPT. Let's get it, pandas. Ooh, sorry, something happened here. It's huge pushes, no follow throughs on these bars. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Cut my losses here. We'll try again. Am I trying to go short now? No clue. Are we done with our uptrend? No idea. It was suspicious from the beginning, anyways. Coming back to previous week's close, perhaps. And again, tomorrow is CPI. So tomorrow is maybe where, we could find ourselves like trying to make a lot of bamboo. Tomorrow, pandas. It's all about tomorrow. And kind of like I said earlier, because of news tomorrow and Wednesday, like big news, today, shenanigans. And that's what we're getting. Jeez. What in the world is this nonsense here? Well, what do you know? Coming back to this key area. Well, what do you know? Ugh. And again, today's so tricky. Even a super strong bear bar here, you have no clue it's gonna have any follow through. We had one here, no follow through. One here, who knows? Could just be folded. Feels like I can just short actually on the 2500 tick chart as well. I didn't realize. Wait, this is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. Okay. Ugh. Tough. Very tough day. Very tough and sinister day. Like let me just show you the last couple days here, pandas. What we've been dealing with, the price action. Dealing with this. Dealing with this. Dealing with this. I mean, for the last 5 days or so, dealing with this, dealing with this. Like, these days, like, what? Look at this day. This is just crazy. Untradeable days. Again, multiple days in a row, multiple weeks in a row. Very difficult. It's so confusing. I just don't know what to even, like, anticipate for the next thing. I mean, we could be in this trading range, come back to the bottom trading range. I wouldn't be surprised. Decently strong bear bar. Let's see if we get follow through. Create a little gap here. Could be an edge here for you. Just push down. You can imagine it coming back up to fill this little teeny gap here. Just getting super choppy around the previous week's close. No surprise. Exact same thing happened here. It's happening here. Very confusing. Look at these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. 7 overlapping bars in a row. Very cool. Very fun. Very good stuff. Jeez. Strong bull bar. Any on its high. 2500 tick chart. Austin here asks, is it possible to copy trade Apex and TPT accounts at the same time? Yes, you can. Right, Trade Copier, if you think about it, is just a NinjaTrader application. So whenever NinjaTrader accounts you have, you can copy them. It's going to be agnostic. It doesn't care. It's from TPT or Apex or top, you know, bottom step, misstep, whatever you want to call it, top step. I call it misstep because whoever's doing top step is smooth braining their entire lives. Wow, it's just untradeable to me. Seeing nothing I like here. It's just lots of reversals. Lots of reversals after like very impulsive strong moves. It's crazy. Yeah, that's the thing about trading range days, because impulsive moves typically mean strong moves, convictive moves, follow through. But trading range days, it tricks you. It does these super strong moves and just gets folded. Let me show you the 2500 tick chart. Super strong bull bar, any on side, no folder, it's exhausted, just reverses. On a dime, Pan. It's on a dime. I got nothing here. It's nothing like, I have no conviction here. I just feel like even if it's a big trading range day, I don't even know like what trading range are we gonna trade. There's so many small trading ranges within the trading range. I guess it's just limit orders. I can keep coming back to the previous day's close. I don't like anything here, to be honest. Stinky. Absolute diabolical, just doing absolutely nothing again. Two strong bear bars, ending on their lows. Could be always in short here. I could attempt something here. I could. Do I love anything here? Not really. I can maybe start building a position here. I'm gonna start building a position here and see what happens. thinking trading range day, right? And we have plenty of room to the downside in the trading range. I'm thinking trading range day. So I'm going to start trying to build a position here. Probably work with the 5-minute chart. I'll be going short now. Limit orders on the previous candle's highs instead of fall there because we are in a trading range. And I think these two bear bars in a row here are kind of significant in my opinion. For the bears at least. I mean, maybe I could just scalp out right away. I don't mind that either. OI pattern, 2500 tick chart. Big down, big up. Two bear bars now. Thinking trading range big time here. All right, big trading range here being created now. Just massive confusion everywhere. Madness. What a day. What a diabolical day. Um, Better days ahead, right? Tomorrow, I feel like better days ahead with the volatility tomorrow. Could be nice for us. I think it'll be nice for us. At what time is the news? The news tomorrow is at 8:30, so please be prepared for that. But that could be what causes, uh, you know, some volatility in the rest of the day. Could be, hopefully. Like today, diabolical. Just disgusting price action here. Just loving the previous week's close, going in and out of it. I have a premise here that we are in a trading range, big trading range, and so we have plenty of room to come back down to the bottom of the trading range. Big down, big up. This big up, not big down. Two bear bars in a row. We'll see what happens with this bull bar. If this follow through in this bull bar, I may cancel. Who knows? Downtrend is cancel. You know what I mean? Like I'm almost not scared to scale in as we get higher and higher, because I feel so confident we're in a trading range day. I could have came out break even several times on this trade already. Just waiting. Just waiting for something to happen. Wow, it's a terrible day. What am I looking at here? What kind of nonsense am I actually looking at here? Trading range after trading range after trading range. It's crazy. Okay, big push up here. Two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. I think I'm canceling this. Big push up. Could care less. Again, like I feel so comfortable to even short this because of the trading range premise I have right now. But we'll wait. I think after two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart, my premise is done. And that's what we might be creating here. This consolidation for so long. Now we're pushing back up. Okay. Two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. I may just end it here. Just take my loss. I just feel like at this point, it's like you just don't know what's gonna happen.
Target filled.
All right, took the hit. I mean, it's just the whole premise for me to go short was two strong bear bars coming back into a trading range. Now, if we get two strong bull bars, it kind of gets rid of this premise. Kind of invalidates it. You know what I mean? Because the two strong breakout bars is kind of what you're looking for to follow that trade. And if you get the opposite of that, it's kind of invalidates everything. So I'm just confused as always. I've lost 1,000 trades in a row right now. It's all good. At least we're spreading our losses across multiple accounts, right? It's not just one account. If you're gonna lose, you might as well spread them across multiple accounts. So not one account gets destroyed. Yeah, that's the end for today. This it's just nothing for me to trade here. Nothing that I like, and it's gonna be confusing. I already know it's gonna be a negative EV day, so what's the point, right? Pandas, tough day today. It is what it is. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, there's news tomorrow. Big news at 8:30 a.m. Make sure mark your calendars if you're like to trade the pre-market. Just be aware there's gonna be big news. Um, yeah, I mean, with that being said, it could be a good time to. I mean, tomorrow's news probably will make or break your accounts. So it could be a good trade to take in the news with evals, right? Only with evals, it might be a good trade to take. Hopefully, you can take advantage of it. We shall see. But tomorrow could be okay news. But Pandas, that being said, it's all good. I'll see you guys around early tomorrow. As always, happy trading with us. Bye.